Uranus and Neptune, ice giants, secrets. Water, ammonia, methane compose blue planets. Extreme pressures create diamond rain. Methane breaks down, forming diamonds. Diamonds sink to core, creating diamond rain. Millions of atmospheric pressure. Temperatures exceed 7,000 Kelvin. Lasers simulate conditions for shockwaves. Experiments form nanodiamonds, supporting theory. This influences dynamics, magnetic fields. Sinking diamonds release energy, explaining Neptune's heat. Diamond movement creates ice currents, driving fields. Uranus has a 98-degree tilt, causing variations. Neptune boasts fastest winds, 2,000 kilometers per hour. Voyager 2 visited worlds, providing data. Future missions, 2034, explore giants. Missions unlock secrets. Composition, diamond rain. Diamond rain accepted. Theories suggest layers. Layers could explain unusual magnetic fields. Research into Uranus. Neptune reveals complexity. Diamond rain planets attest to wonders.